Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. This is your daily morning reset, a gentle space to pause, breathe, and begin your day with calm. You don't need to do anything perfectly, just allow yourself to arrive. If it feels comfortable, softly close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. You're here. That's enough. Let's settle the nervous system. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale gently for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Inhale slowly and long, soft exhale. Now let your breath return to a natural rhythm. With each exhale, allow your body to soften. Bring awareness to your body. Notice where you are supported. The chair, the floor, the bed beneath you. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Relax your hands. If there's any tightness, breathe into that space and let it gently release on the exhale. You don't need to carry yesterday into today. This is a new beginning. Now bring your attention to this fresh morning. Before emails, before conversations, before responsibilities. Right here, you have choice. Silently repeat. Today, I begin calmly. I move at a steady pace. I respond with clarity. Let each phrase settle into your breath. There's no rush. Ask yourself softly, how do I want to feel today? Not what you need to achieve, but how you want to feel. Maybe calm. Maybe steady. Maybe open. Choose one word. Hold that word in your awareness as you breathe. Let it guide your energy today. Take one deeper breath in and a long, slow breath out. Feel the quiet foundation you've created. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. You can return to this reset anytime. Your day begins now.